Hello RV enthusiasts, and welcome back to Motorhome USA. Today we are witnessing a concept that tears up the rulebook for luxury travel. Forget your standard Class A. This is the imagined Rolls-Royce Spectre Coach, a name we've given this masterpiece of hypothetical engineering. Just look at the sheer scale and the unmistakable presence. This is a motorhome that doesn't just drive. It glides with the silent, commanding authority only Rolls-Royce can muster. Notice the unique stance. A colossal 8-wheeler configuration with a quad axle in the rear and the distinct double wheels up front, giving it an unstoppable Road King aesthetic. The design is a futuristic nod to a double-decker bus, a true mobile palace designed for the VIP who demands to take their ultimate sanctuary on the road. The matte gray finish, the high-gloss black accents, and the iconic Spirit of Ecstasy emblem discreetly integrated into the front fascia. Every detail whispers ultra-luxury, not shouts it. Now, let's step inside. The front cabin, or the bridge as we're calling it, is where technology meets tranquility. The driver's seat is a hand-stitched, climate-controlled throne, surrounded by bespoke digital instrumentation. But the true engineering marvel is the chassis. That 8-wheel design isn't just for looks. It promises unmatched stability and a legendary magic carpet ride quality, even at this colossal size. This coach concept would likely feature a whisper-quiet, all-electric or advanced hybrid powertrain. Rolls-Royce's commitment to silent luxury, applied to a vehicle the size of a small apartment building. The ground floor houses the main living and utility quarters, a fully bespoke, gourmet kitchen with marble countertops, and perhaps even a full-sized garage area hidden beneath the upper deck, perfectly sized for a smaller Rolls-Royce or a high-end luxury vehicle. Imagine rolling up to a campsite and deploying your personal chariot. The highlight, and the reason for that towering double-decker silhouette, is the upper deck Starlight lounge. Accessed via a discreet elevator-style lift, this is pure indulgence. It's an entertainment and relaxation space designed to rival a penthouse apartment. The entire upper ceiling is a fully customizable Starlight headliner, with thousands of fiber optic lights twinkling overhead, a signature Rolls-Royce touch. The seating is massive, plush, and swathed in sustainably sourced leather and rare wood veneers. The exterior of the upper level appears to have an open-air viewing deck, perfect for sunset viewing, which could be enclosed with smart tinted panoramic glass for privacy or weather protection. And finally, the master suite, tucked away in the back of the ground floor. Think king-sized bed, a walk-in wardrobe, and an ensuite bathroom featuring a rainfall shower and gold-plated fixtures. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a $1 million mobile residence. The Rolls-Royce Spectre Coach concept redefines the term luxury RV. It's a visionary blend of classic elegance and futuristic, double-decker functionality, a true rolling palace for the open road. While this 8-wheeler marvel is purely conceptual for now, it shows the incredible potential of high-end coach building. Would you spend a hypothetical $3 million or more for this level of bespoke freedom? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Motorhome USA, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the world of luxury RVs.